Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to share the entire Google Drive. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. Go to Google Drive. Here, you can see I'm already logged in. One thing to keep in mind is that we cannot directly share the entire drive with someone. For that, we have to first create a folder and move all the files to that folder. So, let's make the folder first. Tap on the plus sign at the bottom, then tap on Folder. Name your folder as you want. Here, I'm naming it at 2, and tap on Create. We have already created a folder. To add more files to that folder, keep pressing a file for a while, then, it will ask you to select. Select all the files and tap on the 3 horizontal dots on the right side of the screen. Tap on the Move option. Then, this type of screen interface will be shown on your device. Tap on that folder we created a while ago and tap on the Move Here button. Again, tap on Move. Now, all the files are moved to that one folder. Search for your folder in the search bar, then, hit on that folder. As you can see, 3 horizontal dots on the right side. Tap on it. Tap on Share at the bottom. Tap on Manage Access. Tap on the arrow and choose anyone with the link. Again, tap on the arrow. Choose Editor so that the entire drive can be accessed by anyone. This is how you can easily share and try Drive. If you found this tutorial video easy and informative, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.